myself. I think and worry. Do not make me worry. Let all the hardships and pain
disappear from me. Let them flee far away behind the clouds. Comfort, oh beloved, my soul, my love.
Do not break or tear it apart. Just as you promised in the days gone by, that you would not leave away, that you would care for me and shelter me in your arms,
In your hands,
turning sleep to the left and to the right. I remember only you, turning sleep, whether night or day. Your image appears before me.
I remember only you. I remember only you. I remember loving you. I remember loving you.
I will never leave you, my beloved, just as you also love me. I have already decided, my love. I will care for and protect only you, my beloved, forever. You have comforted my soul. In times of need,